gonna do the same to the big guy. No! What's up guys, it is Eric from Verus Engineering, and to start off the new year we've got a new Supra product. See here, right, bam. They are AC line cap kits to go along with our other engine bay caps. Install is really simple. Basically all you'll need is a rubber mallet. You can probably improvise, but I would recommend a rubber mallet. And basically we're gonna tap these guys onto the OEM plastic units. Let's get to the install. Really easy, 5 minutes max. All right, so because I am OCD and I want the logo to face correctly when I install it, I'm gonna leave the cap on real quick and figure out an orientation where the logo basically looks nice to me. At that point, you can pull it off and keep it on there. And then we will go to a tabletop real quick and we'll press it on basically. Actually, I just pressed it on. Okay then. So basically I just literally took the two pieces and I pushed it. You might need to use a mallet if your fingers aren't really strong, but yeah, it's already on there. To reinstall, you basically just thread it back on just like factory. And then like I said, the logo kind of looks nice in that orientation to me, so that's how I did it. I'm gonna do the same to the big guy. No! All right, so after you spend 20 minutes on a 5-minute install trying to find the part that you just dropped, you can now hit this one in. So this one did not clip in like, oh wait, never mind, it just did. Awesome. So basically I use finger pressure there again. But if for some reason yours does not go on easy, I recommend finding a hard something to hit on, put the plastic down, and then just lightly tap that and it should go in no problem. So now we can reinstall it on the car and the install is done. All right guys, that concludes the install on the AC line cap kit. Overall really easy until you lose the AC line cap from the factory during removal. Anyway, so once you get those installed, reinstall the AC lines, and that's all there is really to it. Be sure to subscribe and like us if you want some more Supra content or other vehicle content. We do a lot of install manuals, but we're also going to try and start showcasing some of the builds we have here, as well as some other information. If you have any suggestions, feel free to comment below or send us an email. Email is the best way to get a hold of us. Till next time.